everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing this amazing Irregular mirror that I got. This is an LED mirror and you can install it anywhere that you'd like. This is great for bathrooms because it has the anti-fog button right here, but you can install it anywhere else also. If you press the button, you can change between 3 different light tones, and also you can dim it or make it bright. It's up to you just by holding the button. So if you change, turn it on and off, 3 different light modes, and then if you hold it like that, it'll dim, hold it again, and it'll make it brighter. So I love this mirror. I love the colors. It's, you know, different natural tone lights. Like if you want to put makeup on, there's different tones that you can put and stuff, like with the different lighting. So I love it. It's a great mirror. I love the style. The design is amazing. You can install it like that, or you can install it this way as well. So 2 different ways that you can install it. It is beautiful. I highly recommend it. Works amazing, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.